What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mewn Trading, the most degenerate crypto channel on the interwebs. Actually, maybe not. There's some YouTubers there that are telling you to long the top and to short the bottom. But I'm trying to do a video every Sunday, just like a weekly update. First things first, we're gonna look at the corn. We're gonna look at the Bitcoin, and not much to say. We're kind of just consolidating here. We had a nice little drop. This nice little W kind of formations kind of playing out here at this low. We had bearish RSI divergence on the daily and the 4 hour and a lot of the higher time frames. So that's kind of playing out now. So I can still see us chopping here a little bit. Obviously, we got we got this value area high and low here that we're inside right now, and I mean, targets the downside. If we clear out this wick, then obviously I'd expect another tap of this at about 59,100. Take out this liquidity down here, and if that doesn't hold, then we're looking at 57K, and below that we're kind of fuckered, right? I wouldn't be surprised to see like 51, 52,000. I don't think that's a likely scenario. I think we see higher. And obviously, I'd like to take out this value area high here and this weekly at around 69,000. And then my next target would be the all-time highs, where you can look for a swing failure pattern for a nice short, or we break it and come back and test it as support, and we keep moving up. We go look for 75, 80K. So that's that. Very simple. Yes, it can go up or down. That's how the fucking world works. I'm not I'm not a magician anymore. So, for those who are unfamiliar, for those who are in my Telegram groups that I'm in with you guys, thanks for following me. Thanks for checking out my videos. One thing I am doing, I am testing out a lot of these bots, a lot of these different strategies, and we got a ton of them here. We got 8 or so on this chart. We got several charts. We got about like 20 to 25, maybe even 30. We got some altcoin ones. In my last video, I made it private, but this one's going to be public, and I was just kind of just showing everybody these strategies and looking at the history and the win rates and whatnot. And if you go check the link in the description below here, I'm not used to this. I'm still figuring out the buttons here. Let's turn that off. There we go. We got the Telegram. Here we go. Where's my Telegram? This is my own Telegram here, and I'm posting basically every trade that pops up that I get an alert for. I'm posting here. So this is last week. This is last Sunday. And as you can see, I've posted a lot. Not all of them are winners. Okay, you got to understand that. Not all of these are winners, right? Just like anything else, there's going to be some winners, some losers. But at the end of the day, if you want to take emotion out of trading, and if you just want to close your eyes and do what these strategies tell you to do, then click the link in the description, follow me along, and hopefully you guys, make some profit with me. I've taken some really good trades. Sometimes it gives stuff that I would never take. Like for example, where's one here? Like this one. You guys aren't seeing this one. Just sec here. So like, even though the stats are very good on this one, it's an hourly time frame. Like if we zoom in here, this has had 4 complete losses in a row, right? Because your entry, you got to look at your entries, the white line here, and these are your take profits. So stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, all without hitting your first take profit. Like for something that is historically decently accurate and profitable, to have 4 losses in a row, while I'm putting these in my Telegram group and stuff, it's kind of annoying for me because I don't want people to take losing trades, you know what I mean? Especially if I post something and someone takes a short or a long or something that I post, and I'm like, oh, it's got an 80% win rate, and then it loses. It's like, well, I kind of feel like an asshole, but it's part of the game. Just because there's 4 losses in a row here, it doesn't mean there wasn't like 5 wins or 4 wins in a row over here, right? So that's just the way it is. So you got to use your own judgment too, and use leverage that use low leverage. Like I'm trading almost only Bitcoin right now, and I'm only using 10x leverage, except for the trade I'm currently in now, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, this is my Telegram group. I post daily in this multiple times a day, as well as I can. I have a bit of an issue when an alert pops up and it doesn't give me the take profit and stop loss right away, but for the most part, I'm I'm trying to keep up to date on that, and this is just something I'm doing, kind of as a hobby, and see if I could keep up with this. I'd like to automate this, but I don't think that's possible, unfortunately. Yeah, and like here, it's that example I just used. It's 4 losses in a row, and yeah, and that comes, and then for those who are longtime members of the most popular crypto YouTube channel, Mewn Trading, will know I have a specific divergence strategy that I like to use. And we posted this last night. I'm going to zoom in here. I'll just show it on the actual chart. And I even said this is a manual trade and 2-to-1 risk reward, whatever. And we hit that overnight. And I'll show you what that is right here. All right, so we go down on the 15. I know my chart looks a little messy. Let's clean some of this up for you guys, eh? There we go. And simply that was the low over here. We had a clear divergence. See how price is making a lower high and RSI is making a higher low. And simply I just took a little Fibonacci, that to that, and this is all I posted. Your entry is down here somewhere. Oops. Okay. And your take profit is the 618 and 2-to-1 risk reward. That's basically 2-to-1 right now. Right? 3.7% win rate. 3.7% move right there. Actually, I'm lying. The move is over here. No, this is awkward. But you know what? We don't plan for this shit. We just fucking do it in real time. So this was the actual trade that was in my Telegram. You know what's funny? I posted about this trade, but I didn't actually take it. This trade I did take. There we go. That looks right. It was about like 1.6%, I believe. Yeah, I got in fucking magnet, man. Yeah, I got in like right here. So this is the trade I posted. And yeah, it worked out. Worked out overnight. And that leads us to right now. And ladies and gentlemen, my favorite strategy gave an alert earlier today. And that is this one right here. And I just posted this. And I said, I've been waiting a while for this strategy. This is by far the best performing one that I have. And it's funny, as soon as I posted it, dumped like $400, but we didn't get stopped out. And you see here, I did take this trade, and I'm currently still in that trade. And that one is, I will show you right now, it's on the 45-minute chart, and that is this one right here. And we're close to hitting the take profit. So, oops. God damn, I gotta trade this over here. There we go. And that's this trade here. So if I turn on the tables here, bear with me, guys. Sorry, this is a little tedious and boring. I know, I get it. I understand. I get it. It is what it is. So down here, this is on the 45-minute time frame. I have 56 trades total. Now, I don't have deep back testing, but on the deep back test, this has something like a 26,000% profit over like 2 years, right? 26,000%. Okay. It's got about an 80% win rate. And as you can see here, in these 56 trades, there was 20 wins in a row and 3 losses in a row, right? And if we zoom out here, actually, I'm going to turn these tables off again. And you just see this. And I've been waiting, like I said, I've been waiting like 2 or 3 weeks for one of these trades to trigger. Look at all these wins in a row. Look at this. 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Look at this. Okay. Here's a losing spat as price is going sideways, but since then we've had like 19 trades, or maybe this is the 20 in a row. So if you're trading just on this strategy alone, and you're using leverage, like I'm using 10x leverage, you're gonna make 300%, 400%, 500% of your portfolio in like 2-3 months, right? That's huge. It's massive. And again, all emotion taken out of it. You just long or short when the strategy tells you to. So that's why this is so powerful. And that's basically it. I just want to do a quick update. There is one other thing I'd like to share, and this is a good opportunity, I think, and it's a possibility to earn passive income in crypto. I'm gonna have to put a little image in here because my IP address will show, but this is called a Grass extension. And basically what it does is just runs on your browser, runs in the background. It doesn't use almost any bandwidth. It doesn't lag a computer at all or anything. And what you're doing is you're just getting points for being online. As you can see here, these are the points I'm getting. This is my daily. You get some referrals, It's still in beta. It's still new. And there's a couple of us in one of the groups there. We're all we're kind of competing who gets the most. But this is neat. And if you go over to Whale Market here, which is new to me, and you can kind of see what the open market is valuing these points are at. So like here, 1 million points for $2,000. 1 million points for 12 Solana and 2,100. So these are what people are trying to get, for their points and seeing if anybody wants to buy them. So this product hasn't even launched yet. It's coming, soon. But there's huge potential for this. If just by having your computer on or your phone on or whatever and this running in the background, you can make like $2,000 in in 2-3 months of just having your computer on. I mean, that's pretty sick. So I just wanted to shout that out. Link in the description below. And yeah, any questions, don't be shy. Don't forget to follow me. If you want to join my Telegram group, go for it. All the links are down below. And may the corn be with you. Ciao da.